Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix if Twitch linking error with Riot Games. So to start, go to your profile at the top right. So go to Twitch and go to your profile, then go to settings. Once you're in settings, go to connections. Now once you click connections, scroll down and find Riot Games. Once you find it, tap on connect. So you might have to sign in with your Riot Games account, and once done, close this window. So it will say failed to connect. Please try again. Don't worry about that. Just reload the page and scroll down and let's double check, and as you can see, it's now connected. So this avoids most linking failed errors. Now for step 2 is to disconnect and reconnect again. So go to Twitch connections, click your profile and go to settings, then go to connections, then scroll down and click disconnect, then confirm the action. Now once disconnected, you can then go ahead and click on connect. Once done, close this window, reload the page, then it will be linked again. So this clears stock sessions. Now for step 3 is to use the official Riot page. Sometimes Twitch bugs out, so try linking from right side. So go ahead and open another tab and go to Riot Games. Then go to my account and go to settings. And once you're on settings, find connected accounts at the left side, then link Twitch from here. So make sure you're logging into the correct Riot Games account, especially if you have multiple accounts. Now for the next step is to disable extensions temporarily. So click the three dots at the top right, then go to extensions, go to manage extensions, and disable your extensions from here, especially ad blockers or VPNs. Now go back to Twitch, reload the page, and see if that works. You can also try using another browsers. So go ahead and open Twitch and see if that solves the problem. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.